Welcome to Section 6 of the Complete Android Developer course. This section is all about maps and geolocation. Knowing the user's location is obviously an extremely powerful feature for mobile apps in general, and being able to add maps and content dependent on the user's location is a really great thing to be able to do. So we'll cover all of that, and at the same time you might want to be thinking about how you could build some geolocation features into the main app that you're developing on the side. I really would like you to go on somewhere like freelancer.com as well and start looking for Android projects. Remember, you're not trying to get the most or to earn a huge amount of money at this point, although you should be able to charge a reasonable amount. But really, if you haven't had many projects yet, you're looking to get practice, see how to interact with clients, and see how to provide a fantastic product and get some great reviews as well. So I hope that's all going well, and I hope you enjoy this section, and as always, I'll see you at the end of it.